Hello kids, in this video you will learn the UB word family. The letters O and B when they are blended together says UB. Let's practice blending letters O and B to make the UB sound. UB, UB. UB, UB, UB. Great kids! Now let's practice reading some UB words. K, B, K, B. Cub. J, B, J, B. Chop. R, B, R, B. Rub. B, O, B, B, O, B. Blob. G, O, B, G, O, B. Glob. S, B, S, B. Sob. B, B. Knob. B, B. Mob. O, B, O, B. Lob. Let's read these words again. K, B, cob. J, B, job. R, B, rob. O, B, blob. Go, B, glob. S, B, sob. B, knob. B, mob. O, B, lob. Great kids! Now, let's read these words one more time. Super kids, you're doing great! Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. I love you.